Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to complete tasks on Codecademy. So you'll see a description of what kind of code you're going to be running. But the thing you want to focus on most are the instructions. So if you scroll down to the specific task that they want you to do, you'll see instructions. And notice right here, this box is grayed out. So it's not like you haven't completed it yet. There's this little empty box where there could be a check mark. So if I'm going to try to print something, all right, and if I try to print the word potatoes, okay, because they want me to print something, and if I run this code, you see how it's grayed out box? When I run the code, but I didn't complete the task, they'll give me a little hint, say, hey, did you print specifically hello world? Because they didn't want you to just print any random thing. They want you to print hello world. So there's a red X if you don't complete the task successfully when you run the code. So instead, and I'm actually going to type it wrong again. I'm going to forget to capitalize the H, and notice how when I run the code, oh, it actually takes that. So there is a little bit of wiggle room, but I'm going to be a little particular here and capitalize that H. So even if you get it, mostly right, apparently it's not case sensitive, but just look at these instructions and complete those tasks to get done with all your requirements.